All right, there we go.
Wow, that's very crispy, Josh.
Mmm.
Hi guys, we're here at the Jollibee. I'm excited. Come join us.
All right, let's go. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
The other order.
We got
A double
double
rice.
rice.
Look at that. And we also get the peach mango pie.
Yes, saving this for later.
Yes, it's the dessert. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And the gravy. We also,
Yes, and we also got some mashed potatoes with gravy.
Okay. Eat.
All
Let's
right.
start eating. Use your foot.
Thank you.
Everybody's looking for the spicy chicken.
Yeah.
They don't have it. The last time we're here too, it's not available.
Yeah, always is never available.
It's the mashed potato. Can you do the thing that when you grab the thing and then you put the rice on it?
Yeah?
Yeah, you can do
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna try it.
Let's try this adobo. That's okay.
Yeah? Mm.
What do you think?
It's good. Yeah?
She sees your spaghetti now.
Oh, okay. Give her some spaghetti.
It's still steaming. It's so good. Look at that. It's only in the Philippines when they put hot dogs in their spaghetti. Not allowing her to use
Yeah.
no phones.
No phone. All right, so I made rice inside the skin. Mm. All right,
Let's see.
let's try it. Mm.
How is it?
It's good.
Is it similar to what we saw online?
Yeah. You want to try?
Yeah. I feel weird with that adobo finger. You're making friends already? Say hi? She's so busy making friends here.
Mm.
She's a very people person.
Yeah. All right, let's try some of this spaghetti. You gotta get the hot dog.
It's only Filipino. Like. I felt like I'm in the Philippines. I saw a lot of Filipinos here. So good. But I wish it's spicy though.
I guess so.
But they don't have. Everybody's looking for it.
I think.
And Josh said this is the most expensive.
Yeah, most expensive fast food. All our meal together, including what we didn't show you, is this, which is the
Pineapple juice.
pineapple juice. So both our meals came to $40. Yeah, I think that's pretty expensive.
Think about it. You spend more at Disney.
Yeah.
But you're spending more for like Filipino.
At Disney, we could get a meal for all three of us for $25, and that includes a drink.
Maybe next time I'll just gonna order the plain rice, not the adobo rice.
Yeah, not as good.
No.
I'm sorry. Look at that. Look how crispy. So crunchy.
So good. You can hear how crispy it is. Oh my god. Pineapple cruncher is the best.
Yeah. Alright, let's try it. Mm.
Yeah. I think this is the only fast food offers like pineapple juice, right?
Yeah, now, yeah, that I'm aware of.
Ah, the combination is just so perfect. She's drinking a lot.
Oh, you like it? Yay!
Yay! I think it's a pure pineapple. It's not really
Yeah.
like That's why it's not refilled.
Yeah, correct.
You get a lot.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, it felt like I'm just in the Philippines.
Well, the chicken and the gravy taste the same.
I think your dad would love it.
Yeah, I think they would.
And from how your family reacts to Jollibee.
Yeah.
Because why are we crazy about it?
Yeah, compare. All right, let's check this piece out. Oh yeah, I can see the crispiness. Mm. You hear that?
Mm-hmm. You're gonna have this, Mama said. Huh? Okay, more. Mm. Ah, ah. You're gonna have this. You're gonna have this. Yeah, baby. In the Philippines, I remember when you just order C3, C5, they make it shorter. No more explanation. Only when you upgrade for Coke float.
Mm.
Not, yeah, Coke float is Jollibee, Mac float is McDonald's.
Yeah.
I usually don't eat mashed potato when I was in the Philippines. I don't know why.
Do they have mashed potatoes
They
at
still
at the Jollibee?
I don't know. It doesn't order. I know McDonald's does. KFC does.
KFC I know does, because that's KFC's thing.
You say hi?
Yeah, trying to make more friends.
Yeah, they're a little bit far.
I'm sorry.
Is it worth driving here?
What do you think? Let's hear it from
Yeah.
the critic.
Only
You're the
if you
critic.
eat it fresh, but if you eat it like not fresh, like the boyfriend Selena Gomez, you would like.
Yeah, you
not
gotta
expect-
eat it at the
Hey,
restaurant.
don't
You
do
can't
that.
just take it home later, because the amount of time it's gonna sit in the bag and steam, and the crispiness will go away.
That's true. I do it purposely to wear black because it's so messy when you're feeding a kid. Like, you know, we're not even famous yet. She keeps on like waving to everyone. When she's famous, she's get used to it. I tell you that the spaghetti here is a little bit different from the Philippines.
No, it's not as sweet.
They do it for the sake of like the clientele here.
Yeah, for Americans here, we're not used to having sweet spaghetti.
Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome. I know it makes you happy. I like making you happy.
You like making me happy?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Have to be sure which way.
Yes.
Look at that, Daddy. She enjoy it.
Ooh,
Almost
very
done.
good. And after this, we're gonna go get some gongcha, some bubble tea. You're about to see
Yeah,
some of that next.
yeah. A lot of people thought that I'm crazy because if they're going to order something, bubble tea, if it's not gongcha, I don't order it.
Yeah.
Even in the Philippines, like I don't want to drink gongcha.
All right. I'm just taking just the skin and dipping it. Mm.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Mm. Say hi.
Iti, hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you should
Yeah,
have. She wants the normal people. Oh, you like that?
Ooh.
How about you, Daddy?
All right. Let's have another. Mm. Mm.
It's good.
Mm.
Still have a lot of spaghetti left. I don't know. We end up eating more of the adobo fried rice. Everything is good with rice. Yeah.
You hear that crunch?
Yeah. It's real crunchy.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna pinch it, huh? Because the boy from Solano Gomez doesn't
No,
agree.
here, if you,
Okay.
yeah, the boyfriend Solano Gomez, he does not agree. No, let's.
Test it.
How you want to do it? Oh wow! You hear that crack? I mean, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. That guy, he doesn't know what he's talking about. He probably drove half an hour and then it was sitting in the car.
It should be like really like.
And by the time he's eating it, probably an hour after he bought it.
Yeah.
Food's never gonna taste as good when it's, when it's fresh. When it's fresh, it's so different.
Look at this kid. She's really enjoying this.
Yeah. Ooh,
When
you
we go to
love it.
Michigan, we're gonna order a whole.
Yeah,
thing
just for her.
you.
Oh wow. All right. So we're gonna build something. So this is our canoe of just fried skin. Put the adobo rice in there. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna dip it.
Dunk it.
All right. There we go.
Wow, that's very crispy, Josh.
Wow. Do you hear that?
Yeah, it's really crispy.
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah, I agree. There's a line. Food is good.
That's how it is. Yeah. Time for you to try your mango peach pie.
Yeah.
Saying hi to the Jollibee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Jollibee.
You want to give Jollibee a hug?
Okay, hug. Hug, Jollibee.
Hug, Jollibee?
Hug.
Oh.